Bediuzzaman Said Nursi, in his work Mesnevi-i Nuriye, states, "Just as it is impossible that the one who writes a word be other than the one who writes its letters, and impossible that the one who writes a page be other than the one who writes its lines, and impossible that the one who writes a book be other than the one who writes its pages, so too it is impossible that the one who creates the ant be other than the one who creates the animal species, that the one who creates animals be other than the one who creates the earth, and that the one who creates the earth be anyone other than the Lord of the worlds. Among the signs of universal lordship is this. Within the book of the universe there exist such great letters that in some of these letters a single word is written, in some a complete discourse, and in some an entire book. For example, in that book, the sea, the tree, and the earth each stand in the position of a letter. In the first letter, the word fish is written, in the second, the discourse of the tree, and in the third, the book of animals. Indeed, just as the entire Surah Yasin is written in the form of Surah Yasin itself, so too in some created things, within a single word that is its name, and within its seed, the surah and the book of that created being are written in full. Pause for a moment and look around you. Behind every letter there is a pen, behind every line there is a writer, and behind every book there is a single author. Can the one who writes a word be different from the one who writes its letters? Can the one who writes a page be someone other than the one who writes its lines? Of course not. From this simple truth, Bediuzzaman Said Nursi turns our gaze toward the universe. If the writer of the letter and the writer of the word are the same, if the writer of the page and the writer of the book are the same, then let us ask, can the one who creates an ant be different from the one who creates the entire animal realm? Can the creator of animals be other than the creator of the earth? No, this is impossible, both rationally and logically, for the artistry seen in the small is the very same artistry seen in the great. The wisdom in the eye of an ant is not separate from the order in the body of an elephant. This truth points clearly to universal lordship, Allah's all-encompassing care and governance over all existence. Bediuzzaman reads the universe as a book, but not an ordinary one. In this book are such great letters that within a single letter lies a word, within a word lies a sentence, and within a sentence lies an entire book. The sea is one such letter, and within it is written the word fish. A tree is a letter, and within it is written its own discourse with branches, leaves, and fruits. The earth is a letter, and within it is written the book of living beings. He goes even further. Just as the whole Surah Yasin is contained within its own form, so too, within a single seed, the entire program of a tree is written. This tells us one thing. The Lord of the universe is one. Art does not fragment. Lordship does not divide. And if a mighty tree is written into a seed, if the creator of the universe can be read in an ant, then the human being must pause, look at himself and ask, which book am I a line of and by whose pen was I written?